I am a great fan, and I am very, very happy to see you now. And that's my favorite song also. Because when I say I'm born again, watu wengi wanafikiria ni utani. But us warwa masira. Mane wapamo Yesu mane waluongo kani, ajabu jaloyo. Mheshimiwa Pamela ni man pastor na Nairobi Miracle Land. So Bishop Ogwada, Bishop Florence, thank you so much for inviting us to be here today. I'm very, very glad I came. And my governor, my colleague, my friend, my brother, thank you for making time to accompany me here. I would have been lonely because you told me you were going to Maranatha, but I'm glad you came. Tumpigie makofi governor wetu, who's a humble servant of God. Very, very humble governor and my brother. And we walk together and we get along well. And I'm also happy that I found my younger brother, Abasi Young, who's the preacher here today, together with his lovely wife. These are my children. They grew up in my house. They are friends with my younger brothers. So we've walked together. And I'm happy with the word that you preached. Yeah, we are very happy. Yes, I said we should pretend. Tujifanye tu, tukiendelea. Na mimi nikafikiria ile wimbo ambayo inaimba, usinidharau leo kwa jinsi unavoniona, kesho ya mtu ni fumbo, maisha napanga Mungu. So, it's the Lord who plans our tomorrow. And me, I'm so happy to be in this women's conference. And to know that our journey, my own journey, Prophet Phoebe, is a journey of God. It's a journey of faith. It's a journey that could not be believed, but it's God. Ni Mungu, ni huyo. That is how he has brought us this far. And Bishop, anytime you invite me, last year I told you I will come. Today I have a function in Nairobi which was starting at 3:30. But I said I will come, then I will go to the function. And I have told them by 5 I will be at that function. So I am very, very happy. I had to come, and I know Mama Dr. Aida Odinga will be here tomorrow. Please pass our regards. Mwambie, tunashukuru sana. It's just that tomorrow we have another conference by Archbishop Dr. Winnie Owiti, which is also closing in Kisumu. And she had invited me also, so I will attend that one before coming back to Homa Bay. But I'm very, very glad, and I am humbled that you have found time to pray with us also and to prophesy into the future. We take the prophecy by God's grace. And I see my pastor at home, Godfrey, that's my shemeji, and my Nyeka Kacha. Jodalawa, anaunge weche mang'eny wawuotho gi MCAs ma Homa Bay. Joan Ogada, MCA for Kojoach. Nyasiaya Doreen, MCA for East Kamagak. Those ones are elected members of the County Assembly. Florence Nyaruoth, that is a nominated member of County Assembly. Yvonne Becky, nominated member of the County Assembly. Honorable Sophie Koweje, elected member representing Lambwe. Alice Wingan, elected member representing Kabondo East. Mono Florito Ndiek, elected member representing the center of Homa Bay Town. And Jessica, nominated member from Kabondo Kasipul. And Honorable Pamela, also nominated from Rusinga Island. So we are very, very happy to be here. We are deeply blessed. We are deeply honored. I don't want to say much, much more. I'm honored by the bishops that we've seen here. Please continue to pray for us, pray with us, pray for our nation, pray for our counties, pray for our people. Walam no gandawa. Yeah, walam no gandawa kabisa. Mondo gandawa donkori wore. Kaneno angachiel katobedoni baba sanikuru onge. Mane kwayo manyalo kwayo. I have a small gift which I have presented to the bishop. Asanteni sana. God bless you and God bless the conference.
Aneno ka ipame kanisa ka